everybody, how are you today? I am here with another story time. Today we are going to read What Will Fat Cat Sit On? This is written by Jan Thomas. And it says, uh-oh, here comes Fat Cat. Run! So let's see here. Look how big that cat is compared to that tiny mouse. So what will Fat Cat sit on? This is written for Sam. I don't know who Sam is. Do you? What will Fat Cat sit on? The cow? Moo? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the cow. Yee-haw! What will Fat Cat sit on? The chicken? Cluck. Sit on the pig! Sit on the pig! Oink. No, Fat Cat will not sit on the chicken or the pig. Will Fat Cat sit on the dog? Grrr. No, Fat Cat will not sit on the dog. Okay, so Fat Cat will not sit on the cow or the chicken or the pig or the dog. Then what will Fat Cat sit on? Perhaps he should sit on the chair. Yeah, that's a good spot, right? The chair, of course. Now, what will Fat Cat have for lunch? Lunch! Ah! The end. That was a silly little story about this fat cat. What do you think Fat Cat might have for lunch? I think maybe Fat Cat's going to have some cat food, right? All right, my friends, I love you so much. I'll see you soon. Mwah.